Hello, this is Mohammed Imtiaz Habib, and the name of our project is iTrack, a hiking tracker. These are the outlines of our project: introduction, goals and benefits, building methodology, finding and analysis, recommendation, and conclusion. And I will be describing the introduction part of our project. Now, what is a hiking tracker? A hiking tracker is a device to sense the change in surrounding environment of a hiker during hiking. The idea is to observe the change in temperature, pressure, humidity, altitude, location, and direction, etc. It also gives some interesting insight of hiking. For this, we have used so many features in our device like sensing location, temperature, pressure, altitude, and direction. Now let's look at the timeline of our project. We have divided our project into 5 tasks, and we will be completing our project in 1 month. At week 1, we'll be discovering the ideas and goals of our project. At week 2, we'll be collecting the necessary materials regarding our project. At week 3, we'll be building the whole project. At week 4, we'll be finishing our project and we'll be able to launch it. So that's it from my side. Our next team member, Jannatu, will be describing the goals and benefits part of our presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum ma'am, I am Kobijanatul Naim, ID 183777962. Our project is on the tracking devices. As my previous teammates say the introduction of it, I am here to say the goals and benefits of it. Our main goal is to make people's life easier while they travel. There are many problems they face while they travel, like lost the track or something, medical emergencies and all of this stuff. But with our device, they can easily solve these problems. Here are some key points about the goals and benefits. Easily locate lost hikers. So there are many places where Google Maps or GPS can't track themselves. So our device will help with it. Like our device will have the exact GPS of many small places, so the trackers can easily locate themselves. Next, the stay update with the surrounding environment. It's about the environmental issues, like if there is any upcoming sort of any environmental issue like the temperature and humidity or air pressure of the place, so they can keep updated about these issues. And there are some altitudes and directions about some places, so they can be updated with this point. And next, here we can see the device offers a panic button. Panic button refers to some medical emergencies or some other emergencies, like any kind of safety or police. We can in need of police, so we can press this emergency button, and they can come for our help to rescue us or something like that. So we can say that this is the most important goals and benefits of our tracking device, and this is very beneficial for especially women who go alone traveling. Like the last key point, as you said, the device offers a panic button. Our society is not safe for women, so this button will help them to stay connected to the emergency services, so they can save themselves in case of the emergency. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm MD Saidur Rahman. My ID is 1838247 out of 2. Basically, in this project, I did the methodology part, and there are two types of methodology here: tools methodology and building methodology. Let me first introduce tools methodology. And there are 6 types of tools here, and these are Arduino Uno, battery, resistor, display, sensor, and another one is GPS. Now I am going to the next slide, and this is building methodology. Basically, this part is a connection. This part is a process of connection. So 4 AA are installed on battery holders. 12 C sensors are soldered together one board. The sensors are connected to Arduino Uno from the bottom side. The AA battery pack voltage sense line goes on ADC A1. And a voltage divider is finally a voltage divider is added to measure battery voltage of 4 AA batteries. Thank you so much, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Abdullah Hussain and now I'm going to discuss about the finding and analysis part of our project. We have done a survey among 40 people and we have collected their responses. Now I'm going to discuss about the question on which we have done our survey. The first question was, did you use any tracking device before? Among them 60.5% people says that they didn't use any tracking device before, and 39.5% people says that they have used tracking device before. The second question was, do you think a tracking application can help people when they are hiking? All of their answer was yes. The third question was, what are the problems do you face most when you go for a hiking? Among them 65% people says that they lost connection during hiking, 20% people says that they need emergency help, and 15% people says that they want weather notification. The next question was, what kind of emergency service can be included? Among them 34% people says that they want police service, 30% people says that they want ambulance service, 20% people says that they want fire service, 30% people says that they want doctor, and 16% people says that they want food delivery, and 32% people says that they want emergency vehicle. The next question is, do you want any map of your area in the device? Among them 97% people says that they want a map, and the other says no, they didn't need any map. Then our last question was, which feature do you prefer to use most in our project device? 16 responses was about their location. 80% people says they want location. 75% people says that emergency button, they want an emergency button for by using which they can call for emergency services, and 9 people says that they want weather notification. And that was all about my presentation. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nabalasan Shorkar, and I am going to discuss about recommendation. Use iTrack device while hiking. First, I think the iTrack mini GPS tracker is the perfect device for monitoring the person and behavior of people, family members, and any asset you want to track. The application really are in all trackers are supposed with a free Utu SIM card that can supply be topped up using any phone. You can also use any other 2G, 3G or 4G SIM card with iTrack GPS trackers. Other one use panic buttons. A panic button is usually trapped by pressing an electronic panic button, while can be either wired or wireless. Other was observe environmental changes in every 30 minutes by taking image with GPS coordinates. It is possible to evaluate GPS technologies supports efforts to understood and first term changes in the environment, and every 30 minutes the device update the climate position situation. And last one, make sure the batteries are fully charged. It's very necessary to notice that GPS trackers or high case this device may need to charge or refill the battery to active or on. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me a chance.
Conclusion: this device gives a solution for unfair pricing problem. The survey shows people want to use this device while hiking. It will ensure hikers' safety and make their journey more enjoyable. In this project, we have proposed an open source GPS tracking system using commodity hardware and open source software. The system has shown the feasibility of using it for fleet management. Traveling and hiking is good when you can check the change in surrounding environment. It makes things more interesting, especially checking the altitude, humidity, pressure and temperature changes within hours while hiking. The sensors report the status information to our server, which can be useful for information processing and for intelligent traffic management. This device lets you know at what height you feel altitude sickness, what humidity level makes your skin dry, stuff like that. Although there is room for improvement in both circuit layout and code to deal with the caveats, it's still cool to have a gadget like this while going into the wilderness. These are the references we are using to complete our project. That's all about our project. Thank you.